Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can connect your LinkedIn account to n8n. What this is going to allow you to do is to connect your LinkedIn account to create certain posts or read posts, and with the right LinkedIn and product scopes you can manage organization pages. Fortunately for you, n8n is going to provide you with LinkedIn nodes, so you don't actually have to do a lot. What are you going to do, guys? I just want to come to n8n. I want to come to personal or overview, doesn't matter. And here I want to go to create a credential. Okay, so click in here. Now just look for LinkedIn. And normally most of you are want to connect this credential, the all authorization to API. Okay, so just click in here and that's gonna allow you to connect to your account. Okay, so just click in here, connect to your account, and now this is going to open. Okay, you just have to basically sign in with your email and your phone, and that's going to be it. If you're a developer and you need the actual LinkedIn API keys for some reason, just come to LinkedIn developers in here, sign in, and you're gonna have to go to these settings in authorization and kind of get the API keys in there. Okay, so once you are connected, in either case you can just create a workflow. Okay, so just go to plus, create workflow, and you can start adding, your LinkedIn notes, as I told you before. Okay, and you can do a bunch of things with this. Just create a post. Thank you so much, guys.